Welcome to Ravenna. Ravenna is actually not far from Bologna, where we took a quick trip to see our friends. Ravenna is a very important city and 1-hour train ride from Bologna train station. Did you know that Ravenna was the capital of Western Roman Empire? It is also a World Heritage Site for its well-preserved late Roman and Byzantine architectures with the buildings, and a fantastic place to look at some of the oldest mosaic in the globe. There are 8 World Heritage Sites in Ravenna, and we went to 5 of them. The ticket cost just only €550. The 5 ones that we want to visit: Basilica di San Vitale, Museo di Galla Placidia, Battistero degli Ortodossi Archiepiscopal Museum, Basilica di San Apolloniare Nuovo. Now, of course, you are in Italy, you have to visit Piazza, so you went to the Piazza del Popolo, which is basically means the Piazza for people, obviously, which is built in 15th century. Then, of course, you want to visit the tomb of Dante. After having a wonderful and exceptional time with our good old friends in Ravenna, we headed back to Bologna so that from there we can move to beautiful Pisa. Now let's take a look at some fantastic photo of Ravenna. Following photos are taken with Fuji X20 edited in Silky Pix Developer Studio Pro with Fuji Acros Film Simulation. Enjoy!
L'uso franco, un gran casco, un gran turbante, molto onor, poco cantante, poco cantante, poco cantante. Ed invece del fandango, una marcia per il fango, per montagne, per valloni, con le nevi e salioni, al concerto di tromboni, di bombarde e di cannoni, che le porre tutti i tuoni all'orecchio fan fischiar. Non più avrai quei pennacchini, non più avrai quel cappello, non più avrai quella chioma, non più avrai quell'aria brillante. Non più avrai farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno d'intorno girato, delle belle turbando a riposo, Narcisetto ad un giro d'amor. Delle belle turbando a riposo, Narcisetto ad un giro d'amor. Cherubino alla vittoria, alla gloria militar, cherubino alla vittoria, alla gloria militar, alla gloria militar, alla gloria militar.
I see you in Cinque Terre! Yay!